Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones. It's me, Gigi, back after a very, very long break. And honestly, guys, I'm not 100% sure I'm all the way back yet, but I'm working on it, okay? This is a short video today, so we're not going to have time to get into all that. Just know that I've missed you so much, and I'm so happy to be making this video for you guys. I jumped in to do this one because I don't want Capricorn season to get by me. So what I did was, the Capricorn colors are green, so we're going to do a green ocean, a green sea sort of inspired set, because the animal for Capricorn is a sea goat. So a very mythological creature, kind of like mine, the centaur. So I really love that aspect of it, the sea sort of goat aspect of it. So we're going to do a dark green sea. And these are going to be the waves that are traveling across the surface of the water. And I'm starting with that like medium limey green there. And we're going to make the waves. And this is all in, sorry, my brain just shut down, in the Blooming Gel. It's in Blooming Gel. So it's going to spread a little bit and give us more of that oceany vibe. But it's also kind of camo colors, so it kind of makes me feel like it's a camo sea. I kind of dig it. This is a cool set to me. I really enjoyed making it. It took me a while, though, because I've been sick such a long time, and I'm actually not sick anymore. It's just that my lungs aren't catching up as fast as the rest of me. I'm going to see my doctor soon, next week, and get some medicine. So hopefully I'll be back hitting it strong really soon. Now what I'm doing here is just adding that deeper green underneath to give it sort of a shadowy look. And I've not cured yet at all. We're still working in that same Blooming Gel. And then we're going to come in with this very light green and just gently touch it along parts of the waves to give it sort of a foamy, crusty sort of look. There you go. That's what I'm going to call it. Whatever. I'm just doing my best today, guys. But really, I didn't want Capricorn to get skipped. Capricorn is actually both of my parents' sign. So, and it was my dad's birthday yesterday. Shout out to Dad. And my mom's birthday was last week. So shout out to them, wherever their spirits are incarnating next. So now, because it's the sea goat, we're going to come in with some gold. And I'm just going to make little fishtails, right? Because the sea goat has a little fishtail. And I didn't feel like I was capable of drawing a whole sea goat right now. As you can see, maybe in the video, I'm a little shaky. So I just didn't want to try to execute something that was going to frustrate me, but I still wanted it to be pretty and look like a Capricorn set. So that's what we're doing here. And I did not show you every single nail because I needed to keep this really short, guys. And that's my only reason. And plus, there was a lot of repeating in this set. There's 4 nails that have this sea look to them. And so I didn't show you every single one. But you get the gist, I think. I think you do. Please be sure to hit me in the comment section below and let me know how your Christmas was, or whatever holiday that you celebrated. I don't know why it got so fuzzy here. So I do apologize for this end bit with the gems. 2 of the nails are getting these gems. Let me know how your New Year's went. I had so many cool ideas this year that did not get executed because I've been sick. So I am super, super bummed about that. Now the rest of these are getting top coated, but I did put the gems down in top coat on those other 2. So that's not going to be necessary there. But we are going to top coat these 2. And of course that glitter nail that I didn't talk about, but I did on camera. It got a very juicy double coat of base, and then I buffed it out so it wouldn't be quite as lumpy bumpy. But honestly, if you're gonna do a nail like this, it should be encapsulated in builder gel. And I did not do that for this because it's just, you know, it's just for the pretties. You see that little mess I made right there? That's right, made a little mess. We're gonna pop these bad boys in the lamp, and then you are going to see, ta-da, the finished set. Let me know if you would wear these in the comment section below. make sure you say hi to me, and because I missed you guys so much. We're going to see you soon. I'm shooting for something for Tuesday. And until then, have a wonderful day and a great weekend.